My biggest advice for incoming 1Ls would definitely be to make friends. I think that is vital across the board to enhance your experience in law school, and particularly at UVA. There's so many different activities you can do in Charlottesville and on grounds that really are enhanced by having a large group of friends, even if that's study groups or just asking questions after class. It's good to have that support system.
You just have to do more work than you did in undergrad. You have to read a little bit more, and you just have more on your plate, but you learn how to manage it. No one day is going to make or break you. That was some really good advice that I got coming into it, or pretty soon after law school has started. I mean, if you miss your reading one day, if you can't make class one day, it's not going to kill you. Things will be fine. You make it through the semester, you'll take your finals, and you'll be okay. Everybody seems to do okay.
So I had the same question, how do you prepare for 1L? I think that is the big question. I would say get a lot of highlighters, lots of different colored highlighters. I didn't realize that that was as necessary until I started reading the case books. They're like adult coloring books, honestly. You just highlight the holding, etc. Other than that, if you really, really want to do things, like maybe just look into like a flow chart of how the courts work, district courts, appellate courts, etc. But other than that, like really take a break. I took the summer off and I spent time with my family who are back in California, which was really important and a good thing because I wasn't able to go back for Thanksgiving this year.
My advice to first-year law students would be to really focus on the material. If you really put in the work and do well and try to learn as much as you can, it can really change you, and let it. But at the same time, you need to make sure that you have fun and that you get to know people and that you build relationships, because really that's going to be important as you progress out of here, is having those relationships and having fun with people.